ready to play Is This Legal? Woo!
Why are you shooting me?
I'm pointing. I'm very aggressively. Now I'm shooting you. Yeah, with my fake bullets.
With your 6-shooter.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Is This Legal? This is, of course, where we are going to test your legal smarts here. We're going to give you a legal hypothetical, fictional, of course. It'd be really weird if these were actually...
It'd be really, really odd.
We made these up, but that's what's fun about them. We're going to see what you know or don't know about the law. So here is your hypothetical. We're going to ask you questions about it afterward. Officer Cornelius is patrolling the Northamptonshire streets when he sees his old nemesis Jebediah scream around the corner in his shiny new moto car. And he pulls Jebediah over and he asks for his license and registration. Jebediah says, quote, "I just purchased this car and I don't have the registration documents. Sorry I was going so fast, officer." And in a very unusual move for Officer Cornelius, he decides to give a warning to Jebediah and lets him go.
It's off-brand.
All right, so there goes Jebediah. And 2 hours later, however, Cornelius finds out via a Pony Express wire that the car Jebediah was driving was stolen and was never actually purchased by Jebediah. So he arrests Jebediah for 2 violations: motor vehicle theft and for perjury, for lying to Officer Cornelius. Jebediah's lawyer, Myrtle, files a motion to dismiss both charges, both the motor vehicle theft and the perjury. What good viewer should the judge do with this case?
All right, so we have two things.
Yeah.
The perjury charge and the motor vehicle theft. You guys have to lock in your answers for each of those.
Yeah.
Don't be lazy and just say one or say, you got to be specific here. That's what we're looking for.
Quick comment on the Pony Express. Are we still getting wire transfers of information via the Pony Express?
So there's, I was going to mention that. I'm pretty sure there's no wires involved with the Pony Express. There's ponies
Okay.
that are just galloping from post to post, but I don't think they're trailing a wire behind them.
Where do the carrier pigeons come into play then?
I think they're in the saddlebags of the ponies.
Okay, so they're released toward the end of the journey, when the horse is super tired.
The horse can't make it any further. Carrier pigeon, take it home.
So the wires are attached to the carrier pigeons. That's how they got that information.
They're just strung across the sky via pigeon.
Are you saying that the Pony Express does not involve the electronic transfer of information? Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
I guess we have a flaw in our hypothetical, but I hope, good listener, you're willing to forgive us. But back to the matter at hand, I believe is what we're looking for. So again, Jebediah's lawyer files a motion to dismiss the motor vehicle theft charge and the perjury charge. What should the judge do with those charges, if anything?
So here is what the judge should and will do. Mm-hmm. Motor vehicle theft is going to be fine.
Yep.
You have an officer who saw Jebediah driving the motor vehicle, then got confirmation that that vehicle was stolen. He is a witness to it. That is easy.
Jebediah wasn't able to furnish documents for the car. All of that works out to the case, so
Yeah, so that's no problem at all.
Yep.
Anyone who said that was getting thrown out, you
need to go have your head examined.
You have to basically just watch all.
Just take it off, put it under the microscope, zoom in on that thing, examine it, put it back on your head, and try again.
Or just watch all of our content to get learned.
Right.
And then try.
Great
again.
word, learned, by the way, learned.
Second one, the perjury. That is not going to fly.
What? No, wait, just a darn minute, Russ. I definitely, when I read this hypothetical, I think I remember reading that Jebediah totally flat out lied to Officer Cornelius. Why is that not perjury?
That perjury charge, Colin, is a lot like a penguin. It doesn't fly. So perjury requires under oath. It requires that you actually make a statement when you are under oath.
Yeah.
A conversation with a cop at the side of your car on the side of the highway or road is not under oath. There's the perjury does not attach in situations like that.
Yep, you have to be sworn testimony is what it requires. He could have been charged maybe with false reporting to authorities.
Yeah,
maybe.
Maybe.
But we didn't ask about that charge, did we? We specifically said perjury. I did. So I know what I asked, I know what I said, and I know what I didn't say. So don't come at me right now. That's a good one, Russ. So how'd you do at home? Leave us a note in the comments. We'd love to know what you think of this. We'd love to know if you have any opinions on Jebediah or Cornelius. These are characters that keep popping up, and they're starting to have little biographies about them. Are they making good life choices? We'd like to know what you think.
Jumping Jehoshaphat is starting to get up there too.
I've got some things to say about him. I'll bet you do too. So say them. Leave us a note, leave us a comment, subscribe, leave us a like, and always come back for more. Is this legal? We will be back next time.
Thanks, everyone.